What's up, cuties? You know what today is. It's Wednesday, which means it's time for the color of the week. If you want to know the premise and what the color of the week is all about, feel free to watch last week's video. I'm going to put it in an info card. I don't know where it pops up on the screen. So here or there, it's going to be linked. And I'll also link it in the description box so you can go check out my first color of the week video and find out what it's all about. So today we're just going to jump right into it. As always, I already have my face done because this is an eye focused makeup tutorial. So without further ado, let's hop on into it and pick our new color. We got the bag, so let's just go ahead and pick the color. No time to waste. This week's color is blue. So last week was purple, this week is blue. Cute. All right. So now I'm going to zoom you guys in so you can see better what I'm doing on my face. So I already have my eyes primed and ready to go. I'm going to take the Morphe M433 brush and I'm going to take the color Brother, and I'm just going to, but it's so nice. Like, come on. I'm going to take this onto the lid as well. Instead of blending it, I'm going to just pack it onto my lid. I have to make sure it doesn't fall out. I'm actually going to go ahead and take a Morphe M124 brush, and I'm going to go in with that same color Brother, and I'm going to pack it on to my lid so that you can actually see the blue, like, and how pigmented it is. I'm gonna go in with the Morphe M506 brush, which is just a smaller, more precise blending brush, and I'm gonna go in with the darker blue called Cola, and that's gonna go in the outer corner. Take my brush that I use for my translucent powder, my setting powder, and just brush away the fallout. I think I'm gonna go in with the blue shimmery shade called Acapella. Yeah, that's really pretty. And I'm gonna put that on the inner third of my eye and see how that I hope I don't mess this up. I'm going to take a pencil brush, a Morphe M431, and I'm going to go in with Cola, and I'm literally going to put that on the lower lash line. Brother is a little bit patchy, and I know it's like, I don't know. I'm gonna go do this eye off of camera, and I'll be back to do liner, mascara, lashes, and lips. So instead of doing my usual black on black liner, I'm going to use like this navy blue. This is MAC Technical Liner in the shade, in the color Sudsy, so it's really cute. And that's going to go in my waterline, and then I'm going to use this white liner, and I'm going to do a wing with that. I'm really excited. So I'm going to do that. So I'm not mad at that. Okay, so I look super crazy right now because I don't have on mascara or lashes, so that's what I'm going to do right now. and my eyelashes look white, although how cute would that be? So I'm going to go in with my Benefit Thera mascara, and I'm going to pop on some Ardell Wispy lashes. Yes, I've worn them before, that's why they are falling off the pack. So I'll be right back. Last but not least, we're gonna do the lips. Maybe I'll go with this, because I truly don't know what I want to do. I don't even know. Okay, well this is the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink, and it's in the shade, in the color Fighter. I don't know how I feel. Okay, I think that looks much better. On top of that, I put the MAC Vampify liquid lipstick, and it's in the shade Hyper Fabulous. So I think that looks much better. And this is the final look. I'm actually really happy with this. Congratulations, you've made it to the end of this video. Thank you so much for joining me. If you want to see more of me, follow me on my social media. It'll be down there. It'll be in the description. It'll be in the description box down below. So yeah, I'm really feeling this look. I actually really love this look. I'm about to go take some pictures, because that's what I do. If you want to be a part of this crazy little family, because over here we keep it cute, confident, and yet we're a little bit crazy, click the subscribe button, please. We're pushing ourselves into creativity, into confidence, and I'll see you next week for a new color. I wonder what it'll be. Bye.